This is how we prime and paint $1 million plus new construction homes. I'll walk you through every step of how we're going to paint this home, from the bare drywall to being ready for occupancy, cleaning, masking, priming ceilings, and first coat on walls. These projects require careful attention to detail, where the focus is quality first. This is part 1, or phase 1, of how we paint new construction homes. In phase 1, we're cleaning and preparing the job site for primer and top coat on walls and ceilings. Phase 2 will be covered in a separate video, covering painting trim, doors, baseboard, and the final coat on walls. We're not cutting any corners or cheaping out on crappy products or sloppy workmanship. Top of the line materials and industry best practices in prep and application, period. The first step in phase 1 is a thorough cleaning or decontamination of the job site. Drywall dust is going to be everywhere. We dust out the corner of walls, ceilings, windowsills, and door jambs with a soft brush. I like to vacuum out all the outlet boxes and light switches. Using a soft dry mop, we knock off excess dust from walls and ceilings left over from sanding drywall mud. Finally, we're going to sweep or vacuum the floors. The extra time cleaning means the drywall will be smooth after being primed, even before being sanded. We're also guaranteeing a sound substrate for primer and paint. Before any primer goes on, we're masking anything that isn't being painted. Overspray isn't professional, so we cover up the damn windows. We spray on the primer unless a lot of masking is required, in which case we just brush and roll to eliminate unwanted overspray. We always use a dedicated primer sealer before applying a finish coating. In this case, we're using Ben Moore UltraSpec 500 Interior Latex Primer. Next up is painting the ceilings. Normally we finish the ceilings in the first phase of a new construction paint job. Ceilings will get 2 coats of paint in the first phase and can get touched up in phase 2 if necessary. Everything we can finish before the flooring, trim, cabinets, and other installs happen, the better. We sand the ceilings after primer and between each coat of paint. I like to spray in back roll ceilings, or just cut and roll if we're not using our sprayers. We use Benjamin Moore ceiling paint or Sherwin-Williams Eminence in a flat finish everywhere other than bathrooms. In bathrooms, we opt for an eggshell finish, typically using the same product used on the walls. Eggshell is more durable and better suited to high humidity environments. The final step in phase 1 is the walls. We're using Benjamin Moore's Regal Eggshell as the top coat on walls. The area that I'm painting is the kitchen, so we'll get 2 coats of paint. Before I start cutting and rolling, the walls get sanded to knock off overspray from the ceilings. Walls in bathrooms, closets, behind cabinets, and anywhere else that is partially or fully obscured gets 2 coats of paint. Doing this means we don't have to paint behind and around toilets, closets, organizers, cabinets, and other installs unless the walls are damaged. That concludes phase 1 and part 1 of painting new construction homes. Phase 2 starts once the flooring, trim, doors, baseboards, cabinets, electrical, and other installs take place. Part 2 will cover the second phase in detail: caulking, filling trim, spraying trim and doors, finishing the walls, baseboards, and final touch-ups. Our standard operating procedure remains largely the same when painting more affordable 700 square foot ranchers. Every project we take on is done right, on a budget. We use mid-grade paints as a substitute for top-line premium coatings. We still clean the site, mask, prime, sand, apply 2 coats of paint, and warranty our work for 5 years. We're proud to support local nonprofits with a portion of our earnings, including the Loaves and Fishes Food Bank in Nanaimo. Please consider supporting your local food bank by donating money and non-perishable foods or volunteering your time to fight against hunger. Thanks for watching this video. Please consider subscribing, liking, disliking, and leaving your comments. If you're located in or around Central Vancouver Island, you can contact us for a free quote. We're working on creating more content and constantly updating and improving our standard operating procedures.